the Amazon River, the lifeline of our planet at sunrise, as mist rises from the water and the rainforest slowly comes alive. The Amazon River begins another day of its ancient journey. This is not just a river, it is a force of nature, a lifeline for millions, and one of the most important natural systems on Earth. Flowing through the heart of South America, the Amazon River carries water, life, and history from the towering Andes Mountains all the way to the Atlantic Ocean. Its story is the story of the planet itself. From mountains to ocean, the Amazon River begins high in the Andes of Peru, where melting snow and mountain streams merge into small rivers. At first, the water is narrow and fast-moving, cutting through rocky valleys. But as it travels east, something incredible happens. Hundreds, then thousands of tributaries pour into it. The river grows wider, deeper, stronger. By the time it reaches Brazil, the Amazon has transformed into a massive waterway so vast that in some places you can't see the opposite shore. It stretches for more than 6,400 kilometers, crossing jungles, floodplains, and forests before finally reaching the Atlantic Ocean. When the Amazon meets the sea, it releases so much fresh water that ocean currents carry it hundreds of kilometers offshore, changing the color and salinity of the ocean itself. The most powerful river on Earth. The Amazon is the largest river on Earth by volume of water. In fact, it carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. During the rainy season, the river swells dramatically. Forests flood, trees stand half-submerged, fish swim through what were once forest floors. This flooding isn't destruction, it's renewal. Nutrient-rich sediment spreads across the land, fertilizing the soil and sustaining life. These seasonal changes have shaped the Amazon ecosystem for thousands of years. In some places, the river is over 100 meters deep, deep enough for massive ships to travel far inland. The Amazon doesn't roar or rush, it moves steadily, endlessly, reshaping the world around it. A world teeming with life. The Amazon River is home to one of the richest ecosystems on the planet. Beneath its dark waters live thousands of fish, species piranhas, electric eels, giant catfish, and the arapima, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. Gliding silently through the water is the Amazon River dolphin, known for its pink color and intelligence. Caimans patrol the riverbanks, while turtles bask in the sun. Above the river, the rainforest explodes with life. Macaws flash red, blue, and yellow across the sky. Monkeys swing through the trees. Insects hum constantly, forming the background music of the jungle. The river and rainforest are inseparable. One cannot survive without the other. People of the Amazon. For thousands of years, humans have lived along the Amazon River, adapting their lives to its rhythms. Indigenous communities build their homes along the banks, often on stilts, to survive seasonal floods. The river provides everything: food, water, transportation, and medicine. Fish are caught daily. Canoes serve as highways. Knowledge of plants and animals is passed down through generations. For many indigenous cultures, the river is sacred. It is not something to be owned, but something to be respected, a living relative rather than a resource. Today, more than 400 indigenous groups live within the Amazon basin. Their deep understanding of the river may be one of the strongest defenses against its destruction. The river as a lifeline. The Amazon River is also a vital lifeline for millions of people beyond indigenous communities. In vast areas where roads don't exist, the river is the only way to travel. Boats carry people, food, fuel, and supplies between isolated towns and cities. Fishing and agriculture depend on the river's seasonal cycles. Floodplains become fertile farmland. Markets along the river buzz with activity as boats arrive with fresh catch and produce. The Amazon is not frozen in time. It is a living, working river that supports modern life as much as ancient traditions. Growing threats, despite its size and power, the Amazon River is under threat. Deforestation is clearing vast areas of rainforest, exposing soil that washes into the river and damages aquatic habitats. Illegal gold mining releases mercury into the water, poisoning fish and communities downstream. Plastic waste, sewage, and industrial pollution add to the burden. Climate change is making things worse. Droughts are becoming more severe, floods more unpredictable. Scientists warn that the Amazon could reach a tipping point where the rainforest can no longer sustain itself. If that happens, the river and forest could change forever. Why the Amazon matters to the world? The Amazon River doesn't just affect South America. affects the entire planet. The rainforest helps regulate Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. Moisture released into the atmosphere forms flying rivers of water vapor that bring rainfall to distant regions. What happens in the Amazon influences weather patterns across continents. Protecting this river means protecting global climate stability. The Amazon River is more than water flowing to the sea. It is life in motion, a system that breathes, feeds, and connects the Earth. For thousands of years, it has shaped landscapes, cultures, and ecosystems. Today, its future depends on the choices we make. If we protect the Amazon River, it will continue to sustain life on our planet. If we fail, its loss will be felt far beyond its banks. The Amazon is not just a river. It is a reminder that the health of the Earth is tied to the rivers that run through it. It is a reminder that the health of the Earth is tied to the rivers that run through it. It is a reminder that the health of the Earth is tied to the rivers that run through it.